Hello and welcome to this quick video overview of FireMon QuickStart projects. First of all, welcome to the FireMon family. We're confident you will quickly see the benefits of the powerful functionality at your fingertips, and we're here to make sure that you see that value as quickly as possible. Jumping right into it, QuickStart projects are generally shorter engagements due to there only being one module purchased, the Security Manager. There are four main stages in any FireMon implementation project. They are initiate, plan, execute, and close. In the initiate stage, your assigned project specialist will start with an internal meeting with the sales team for alignment on what has been discussed prior to implementation. The customer will then receive an invitation for a kickoff meeting to go over the architecture, logistics such as project leads, project managers, and any other groups involved, as well as expected tasks, milestones, and outcomes. As part of the planning stage, recurring work sessions will be scheduled depending on availability. We will confirm the use cases previously selected so that we can work towards demonstrating them when all configurations are in place. For a QuickStart implementation, the number of use cases to be presented are 2. Security Manager module use cases are focused on the centralized rule repository, also called the single pane of glass, which displays the normalized rules in your security infrastructure. Most of the use cases will demonstrate the use of this normalized data to run reports, and then there are also features such as access path analysis, which helps you visualize the path a packet would traverse in your network, and the traffic flow analysis, which can capture all traffic hitting specific rules. In the execute phase, customers install the FireMon operating system, or FMOS, on their own, and then the product specialist can confirm the installation is ready for the next step, which is to onboard the security devices to be monitored. Along the way, we determine the next steps for you to take between sessions and then validate the configurations during the next meeting. If there are any issues with change or usage detection, we will troubleshoot at that point. When all the needed devices are onboarded and the application receives data for an acceptable amount of time, FireMon will demonstrate the use cases. We will also review and verify core functionality including retrievals with no errors, normalized configurations, usage and change detection, authentication configurations, user group permissions, SMTP configurations, backup process and remote transfers of the backup files, zones and networks imported without issue, and then the final system health check. At the closing stage, we will validate that all the necessary configurations are in place and confirm the adoption of the information provided. Your product specialist will request a diagnostic package from each of your FireMon servers and will create a health and architecture review document as an overview of the health of your system and make any recommendations. We will also send a runbook which includes daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly tasks to ensure the servers are running efficiently and effectively. Again, we will have an internal meeting with the team handling the next phase of the customer journey for internal alignment, and the account will be transferred. To summarize, QuickStart projects are meant to provide assistance to a customer's self-installation. They are generally shorter, targeted to last at most 3 months. They include the validation of and some assistance with core functionality of the FireMon ecosystem. 2 use cases are agreed upon and will be the focus of our demonstrations, and at the end of the project, your product specialist will review the health of your servers. FireMon also provides a 2-day instructor-led training course to demonstrate the various aspects of the application. QuickStart projects include 1 training seat, preferably for the engineer who will be administering the system. For more information about what licenses and support you have purchased, visit the User Center at usercenter.firemon.com.